Welcome to Johnny Cash. In this video, I will explain you to how to generate passive income from email marketing without any investment. Using these ideas will undoubtedly increase your earning. Watch the video to learn how to make money online. Let's start the video. How to generate passive income from email marketing without spending a dime. If you want to make money off of your email marketing, here are 8 tried and true basic strategies. Email, no social media, SEO, or paid search advertisement is the single most effective strategy for generating revenue on the web. Email marketing has the most incredible conversion rates. When it comes to bringing a new business, email is the 40 times more successful than social media platforms like Facebook and Twitter. The multinational business consulting company McKinsey & Company found the email transactions were 3 times more lucrative than social media transactions. You can start making money from your email list right now. Then implement these 8 tried and true strategies for financial success in email marketing. Follow these 8 strategies for email marketing. Number 1. Selling goods or services. Do you currently provide a service or product? If you have not done so before, this is the first step. Discover something you can sell, whether a tangible product or a service you can provide online. If you don't have anything to sell, generate money with email marketing will be challenging, if not possible. Do you have trouble deciding which product to advertise to your target market? To help you get started, here are some suggestions. Ebook, training guides, online courses, private virtual coaching sessions, class or workshops, and membership are the best for selling products or services. Number 2. Sell other people's product. Selling something is not the only way to make money with email marketing. Affiliate marketing allows you to promote the goods and services of other companies. When you bring in customer for a firm as an affiliate, you are rewarded monetarily for your efforts. A virtual business advisor guides customers through the strategy's development process. Customers' marketing and sales demanded are met by the affiliate products listed by you, such as website builder and email marketing providers. Affiliate programs such as Webbers are offered by many different firms. Joining our affiliate program is simple and can be done. Weber also works with affiliate marketing platforms like ClickBank, simplifying the identification of relevant goods to advertise to your subscribers. GetOrganizedNow.com and a Weber client utilizes the ClickBank connection to locate and sell relevant goods to her readers. After seeing that their audience was taking on more diet tasks than usual during COVID-19 outbreak, GetOrganizedNow.com marketed landscaping services. On number 3. Upselling premium or exclusive products. Upselling, the practice of providing more items or services to a customer during the checkout process, is one of the most fruitful ways to generate revenue via email marketing. Imagine if you're a life coach whose primary offering is a monthly subscription to an online platform where clients can interact with each other, participate in webinars, and access a wealth of valuable material. Those who sign up for your membership will have access to your private mentoring from you and your team. One of the benefits of a webinar is that attendees may choose the subject of discussion and submit questions in advance, rather than waiting until the event begins. This personalized service is highly sought after and many customers are willing to pay top dollar. Alternatively, it may be a lot less complicated than that. If you're a virtual fitness trainer, you may promote your services by providing a free downloaded upper body routine. When someone requires it, an automated email containing the download and upsell to a 12-week program assured result are sent to their inbox. Here is one from the online retailer FabFitFun, a premium membership which allows early customization of subscription box and other goods, is being pitched to quarterly subscribers and email. Number 4. Crossout related products. A customer's preference may be gleaned from the product they buy. Using the knowledge, you may market complimentary item that you know they love. Your mailbox contain an email with the subject line, "Because you purchased this, you may be interested in this." For the simple reason, the repeat business from your interest customers is more probable if they get tailored communication from you. It is possible to get accreditation as a nutrition coach by completing a training program online. Then, once they finish the course, they will get an email promoting similar courses, such as yoga or strength and conditioning certification as a Crossout. With a few weeks of a customer original purchase, I think it would be a great idea to have them get a follow-up email with some more suggestions. With little effort, using a Weber, you can create automatic email sequence like this. Make your account now at no cost to you. Number 5. Get repeat purchases. Similar to cross-selling, upselling refers to luring customer back for more of a given product or service. Maintaining a constant flow of sale might be difficult, but a friendly reminder email can help. This email market profit strategies is ideal for companies that often deal in consumable, session time, or services that need to be sold. For example, a window cleaning firm may email a customer after each session when they should have their windows cleaning again. Including a coupon or discount with your offer might also helpful. It's possible that giving some a price break on their next cleaning appointment may encourage them to return. If your consumer are not ready to buy just yet, tell them they should schedule their next visit and provide them with opportunity to create reminders. Number 6. Have a cart abandonment plan. We all are at a little forgetful, so it's not surprising that the customer frequently back our sale because they were not quite ready to comment. However, if you are familiar with WooCommerce or similar e-commerce platform, you will be able to see the evidence they left behind. Send them high-targeted emails urging them to make a purchase of the service or product they were looking at. According to experience, customers who get many follow-up emails after abandoning a shopping cart are more likely to purchase than those who receive just one. One day following desertion, they send a message, wait 48 hours and potentially send a third message within 3 or 4 days. Keep abandoned cart message to a minimum. It doesn't hurt to add some wit or character to grab the reader's attention. Include helpful resources to answer their inquiries and handle their problems, and boast about your stellar support staff if appropriate. Several businesses provide special discount or limited time deals to entice your even further. Number 7. Ask people to spread the word. One of the oldest forms of advertising is word of mouth. 84% of customers survived by Nielsen said that either they totally or partly trust recommendation from family and friends when making purchases. That's why word-of-mouth recommendations are the most reliable when it comes to a buy decision. It's a good idea to send emails to your active, loyal client base, asking them to promote your business to your friends and family. Beyond only asking for a favorable review, you can encourage people to like and share your social feeds. You might use referral link to encourage your subscribers to tell others about your business. Customers who are already familiar with your brand may help spread the word by sharing referral links. Incentive like discounts, coupons, vouchers, cash, rewards, and redeemable points may be offered to existing customers in return for referring new paying customers. Last but not least, number 8. Automate your email campaigns. Partnering with a service like a Weber make automating your email marketing and capitalizing inheritance profitability a breeze. Automated email campaigns, also known as autoresponders, are a series of emails delivered to your new subscriber immediately after they sign up, freeing you up to continue pursuing your true passion. Your welcome email is the first in the autoresponder series, and it should set the tone for the rest of the messages your subscribers may anticipate from you. Also, the open and click-through rate for welcome email tend to be greater than those for other emails, making this a prime opportunity to make a sale. Create a welcome series that builds on your first email to give your readers something of value. Suppose you're a podcaster, for instance. In this case, you might use a welcome series to introduce your listeners to your most popular blog articles. Tell them more about you and your company. Conduct a poll to find out what kind of things they are interested in, and so on. This was all from my side to guide you about generating passive income from email marketing without any investment. Please subscribe and press the bell button if you are new to this channel, so don't miss any stuff from us. Comment down below if the video was helpful or if you have any concern regarding how to generate money. See you in the next video. Goodbye.